listening to Seven Horns AI, your AI-powered market update. Welcome to our weekend market review for Saturday, June 27, 2026. Looking back at Friday's close, the major indices appeared quiet on the surface, but beneath that calm was a massive week of sector rotation. The S&P 500 closed virtually unchanged, down just 0.05% to finish at 7,354. The Dow was also little changed, slipping 0.09% to close at 51,876. Meanwhile, the tech-heavy Nasdaq ticked down 0.24% to end at 25,298. Over the entire week, however, tech was hit hard. The Nasdaq fell 4.6%, marking its fifth consecutive daily decline, while the S&P 500 shed 2%. In contrast, money rotated into defensive sectors, helping the Dow eke out a weekly gain of 0.6%. Looking at the after-hours futures market on Friday, S&P 500 futures fell 0.29%, while Nasdaq 100 futures dropped 1.2%, showing that technology remains under heavy pressure. The big news of the weekend was a major merger and acquisition shock. ON Semiconductor plummeted 23.66% after announcing a $7 billion all-stock deal to acquire Synaptics. Investors rejected the deal over dilution fears, wiping out $11 billion from ON Semiconductor's market value. However, we saw a massive divergence within technology as software platform plays found buyers. Microsoft surged 5.71% after announcing a 20-year, $7 billion power agreement with Chevron to secure natural gas for its artificial intelligence data centers. This massive power deal sent software names higher, with ServiceNow surging 9.85% and Snowflake climbing 9.65%. Conversely, Bloom Energy plummeted 18.49% as Microsoft's shift to natural gas threatened alternative fuel cell plays. Looking ahead to next week, global sentiment is highly fragile. Asian markets suffered a severe sell-off on Friday, compounding the global semiconductor rout. Japan's Nikkei index plunged 4.15%, and South Korea's Kospi sank 5.81%, triggering an intraday trading halt. This international weakness, combined with the technology sell-off in U.S. futures, is expected to set a highly cautious tone for Monday's Asian Open and the subsequent Wall Street session. For upcoming catalysts next week, investors will be closely watching Nike, which reports earnings on Tuesday, June 30th. That's your weekend market review from Seven Horns AI. Enjoy the rest of your weekend, and we'll see you when the bell rings Monday. Visit sevenhorns.ai for more insights.